Wow. Looks pretty cool. And you guys can already see it's into the backpack. And let's see what we have. So it comes with this pump, and it comes with this board. I like the size. So this is good. And I'm gonna go see if I can go kiteboarding with it. It also comes with these pouches. This company always, you know, come up with a bunch of stuff all the time. Like they always add extras. And it comes with the leash. Interesting. So, and of course you're gonna have the kit. So if any wrong with it or anything, you can fix it, and you also have this to do a quick release on the valve. But, and what else you can find here? Yeah, so far so good. So it comes in a backpack. Look how portable it is. You know, so if you like surfing or wakeboarding or all in one, this is the way to go. And you can travel this with you. And some of this, to be honest with you guys, it start coming out with foil. And I think F1 is the first company that actually came out with the foil board, inflatable. And I think Nash also. But we'll see about this. And I'm gonna go and pump it up and go from there. So it comes with the, you can see here, it comes with the pump. It's actually a brand new pump. And I don't know, maybe this is a display, or I'm not too sure, or maybe it was just a demo. And I think it's nothing wrong with getting a demo or a display. Let's just, you know, make sure everything is good on it. And it has that release valve too to make it, you can actually change the, so this is good. And the good thing about this is the fact that I can use this for my paddleboard or my kayak or other kind of stuff, so it's good. And let's see. And it's gonna get you the fast pumping action. And I think you're gonna put it, I would say maybe, we'll see how it does. There you go, pumping it up. Alright, just two. Pump is good. Here you go. Pump's fast. Wow, I like this. And here you go. So I think the capacity of this is 200, I would say 35, or I think, or I gotta look it up again, the capacity. But it seems like you can handle like 240. And that'll be good. Let me try it just a little bit. So I'll probably put it around, I would say, it says over here, it had it on 13 pounds to 15 pounds on green. But right now the yellow, I would say it's around 11 pounds. It's still safe. So I'll just put it in yellow for now. Oh wow. Oh man, it got some weight to it, and I like that. And portability for me is, like I said, is king. Even my drones fold, because I like to bring it to the vacation with me. And this is just like kind of like a paddle board. Wow. And I got it has the fixed fin in here. But so far so good. I like the size. So I'm probably gonna use this for my kite or my wing or my sail. Depends on the wind, of course. And maybe if I can do wakeboarding or all the scenario, or maybe later on if I want to, I can add a foil in here and I can actually just put in here and see what I can do, because I like the size. Yeah, but I think this is like a demo. Yes, it's a good condition, guys. I'm just surprised. And you can just go ahead and put this in the bag and you get to go. So this company is pretty good. So I'm just looking at the best deal out there, and I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. I just like this, man. It's just cool. It's very interesting. But also the good thing about it is right here. So if you hit something really hard, I mean, hopefully it just come out and with air. But look at it. And here you go. And you just close it like this. There you go. And you just do a quick fold in the bag. And you're all set to go. It goes like that. Wow, I just can't believe it. I think they also have a bigger size for this. I think they have like a 52. And then you just go ahead and close this and you get to go, man. And you can take this wherever you go in the world. So quick. There you go. And the bag is a little bit big. And I like that because you can also use this bag right here. You can restore your electric skateboard, your skateboard or something like that if you're not using this, and or something else. Or maybe you can also put a kite on this one. And here you go. Lightweight. Wow. Yeah. So of course this one right here, when you're done, you lock it up, but there you go. All set. So I'm ready to go and go wakeboarding, kiteboarding, windsurfing, all the above. Again, I just want to say thank you for watching. If you subscribe, like, and share, and I'm going to put this on a test.